This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Have an urgent update for Bitcoin, the downward sloping channel. I did let you know we could be breaking out to the upside. That was in a stream a few days ago. I want to shout out to the VIP. We're going to go through a technical update, what the frustration is here in terms of covering a leading expanding diagonal. You don't want to miss that. First of all, I have to congratulate Freddie with a 408% trade. I shout out to the VIP when they're trading. I shout out to Venus, new VIP, 118% today. Congratulations, Freddie and Venus. Anthony with 234%. These are trades just today. Congratulations, Pathfinder, 124%. Our VIP are trading. Another one from Venus, 133%. I just have to shout out anytime our VIP are trading. I'm going to let you guys know this is London with Bitcoin Spike. That's our top level of membership, and it just makes me, guys, it makes my day for you guys to trade and to be succeeding. Congratulations. In terms of the level of support, level of resistance, those who watched the stream a few days ago, you will recall I said we are not going up here to the $28,000 zone. I said what we could do, and guys, I'm going to talk about the fact you do not have a clear trade right now. I'll discuss that, the conflict on the hourly and the 5-minute. But I said instead of the 28,000, what could occur is a breakout to the upside of this channel formation. We were the first one to bring this to you in terms of the specific channel amplitude. Boom, to the upside. We would like to see this amplitude reached. However, the buyers have stalled. And let's just recap. In terms of that stall, technically Elliott Wave is going to call that a possible, look at this guys, a possible expanding diagonal. That is the framework looking at this. Let's just see if we can zoom in a touch. But that possible expanding diagonal has the implication of moving to the downside. So I have tweeted that so that you'll have a permanent record of the specific formation we are in. I will let you know we do have some encouraging news, just some encouraging news. That would be on the specific 1 hourly time frame. These encouraging news would be to interpret the move up with this specific consolidation and have the consolidation essentially let us know that we're in a bull pennant, a move to the upside and a symmetrical consolidation. That would be good news. That's exactly what we want. We want to repeat the specifics, guys, in terms of this move to the upside. We want to get specific in terms of the price target, but we'd like to repeat this, essentially the amplitude of the channel, the specific bull pennant, the move up, symmetrical consolidation would allow us to repeat the exact amplitude of the channel, that flagpole. Boom, 13.46% to the upside would be fantastic. However, I want to bring up on the 5-minute, very important. Appreciate you guys hitting the like button. If you're still here with me, hit the like button. Very important for me to get that feedback. Now, what we always look for is a flat top, okay, to demonstrate the presence of buyers. We don't have a flat top. We can't get the buyers to match up a preceding level to the left. We've looked on the time frames. We cannot find an exact flat top. Instead, what we have on the 5-minute, unfortunately, and this is the bearish component in terms of a flat bottom support. We do have a flat bottom support, guys. That is not ideal for a move to the upside, just as we're always looking for a flat top. When we have an ascending triangulation, a very bullish feature, flat top resistance, ascending line of support, I'm just going to tell you right now, there's a contraindication at best. If we were to look at this specific, and I don't want to trap this in yet while the bulls are still pushing up, but this specific line of resistance with this flat top is not per se, guys, it's not textbook bullish. I have to let you know that it is not textbook bullish. I'm also going to cover the weekly MACD. If you have not looked at the weekly MACD, I'm going to recommend that you just take a look at the weekly MACD as you guys are reviewing your specific parameters, your indicators, and look at the weekly MACD. It is severe. As we're heading down, the weekly MACD it just does not look forgiving right now. And the futures are up currently. I'll let you know that the futures are up for tomorrow. Looks like a bit of a bounce from last week was a bit difficult. Let's talk about one or two more aspects quickly, then I'll let you guys go. We will stream later on. So in terms of the potential, I know a lot of traders are currently looking at, well, maybe we have a cup and handle, maybe a double handle on the cup. We're starting to get a little, I'd say this, we're not getting creative, but as we look at the different time frames, we're trying to explore essentially what is the most bullish scenario. That 1 hourly bull pennant is the strongest. The fact that we're having this discussion means we have a lack of confirmation. Okay, that lack of confirmation essentially signifies that there is risk in the market right now. I would imagine people who are hedging are probably pretty excited. It's probably a good time to hedge. That's just my own personal thought. Now, in terms of the 4 hourly, we would have liked to have gotten to this flat top resistance here at that 21,000 crucial level. Again, we don't have it. So I can walk through every time frame in terms of not having that flat top resistance. We can angle this in just a touch. We can triangulate this on the 4 hourly, and we can try and make a triangle play, a near hybrid. We'd call it a symmetrical to a near flat top, right? This ascending triangulation network or formation, to the extent that we would look for this specific move to the upside. Again, it's just going to be that bull pennant. It's going to be the move to the upside that we saw on the hourly. So what I'll say is this: in spite of the Elliott wave formation, in spite of that specific, what we say in terms of this specific feature, this possible expanding diagonal that just fits to a T. It's a par on par, and you guys know this is a registered book in the Library of Congress, guys. So to the extent that that holds credibility and weight when we have a phenomenal par on par, let's say, matchup with the technicals, I want to bring that to your attention. I won't apologize for the length of this video because I know some of you would sit through stream. I just want to make sure we're as thorough as possible. Bringing this up with a breakout would be phenomenal. What would be better would be another touch along support. Just to let you know, there are orders along support right now. Looks like futures could push the price up a bit of Bitcoin, I'll tell you that. So it would be a good thing to have orders waiting below, period. And just understand the difference between this hourly, wherein we're able to say, yes, okay, on the hourly, we have this ascending line of support, the descending line of resistance, that, yes, we have the essentials for a bull pennant, right? And in terms of that, that's the primary formation that we want. That's what we want. We want to move up to the upside, guys, and then we want this symmetrical consolidation. That's what we want. However, I'm just going to bring up that not only me, guys, all the traders, you as well, are looking at this flat bottom that we achieved here on that 5 minute, and it's giving us pause. So to the extent that you're looking for the perfect trade, I'll just say that the perfect trade, to the extent that you're looking for the perfect trade, it is not right now. I will let you know it is not right now. There's not a conclusive confirmation, meaning agreement, between all of the time frames. And I'll just refresh one more moment and let you know, when I was talking about the 28,000, we did have a nice short right after that stream. What was that, 3 or 4% to the downside? That was impressive. I did let you know that the fallback feature could be the amplitude. Just to recover this one more time, or to cover this one more time, that amplitude we frustrated here on the breakout. 5 minutes shows bearish indications. The Elliott wave shows bearish indications. That 1 hourly, the 1 hourly, guys, is still trying to squeeze out some effort from the bulls. So we will continue to trade. I wanted to let you guys know all that I could in terms of a technical review. I spent as much time as I could going through this to make sure it is as accurate as possible. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We certainly appreciate all of our VIP. We know that you're trading. And I want to let you know, if we could get to this upside target here, it would be phenomenal. That 15% to the upside, $3,000, $23,586. I'll let you know that each and every one of these preceding levels to the left could be a showstopper. Just bottom line, could literally be a showstopper in terms of the price action. The one encouraging thing that I am looking at is the specifics for, and I will draw this out very quickly. Let me put a parallel channel instead. But to the extent that we are creating a parallel channel function here, this holding along support could be the best, the very best in terms of what the bulls have to offer. Those of you who listened through to this ending of the video, congratulations, you're ready to trade. We are on, I'm going to say, on probably the strongest interpretation in terms of that for the bulls. This is London. Line up your charts, get busy on your desktops. Let's trade. We'll be in the back, guys. Thanks so much for VIP. If you guys are new to the channel or you want to join, I want to let you know I'm a former hedge fund owner, and I'll let you know, a non-SEC private hedge fund. I'll just let you know, not financial advice. The big deal, I say not financial advice, but on the Twitter homepage, if you want to join us in the back, you can definitely click on this link, and we will let you in the back, guys. Just after you do that, make sure that you reply to the first pinned tweet and put I am VIP right here. I am VIP. I'll get you in the back. We will get you set up, and we'll make sure you're not overexposed on leverage, but you go through a number of trades to get down that accuracy. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's see if this level can hold, guys. Let's go, Bulls. Let's see what you got. If not, we definitely have those Fibonacci's at lower levels. You all know this. Boom. We're ready to trade. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations to all the VIP. Talk to you soon, and we will stream later in the week. Thanks so much for your time, guys. Bye-bye.